What's up, everybody? Brandon with Millionaire Heating and Air Conditioning bringing you this week's LeTip Greeter Report. All right, so is your financial foundation super solid, or is it crumbling with lots of bad debt? And you don't understand the difference between good debt and bad debt, and you're paying all your low debt off fast and you're holding on to that bad debt because you don't know what to do. Well, you should stop by and listen to Al Hewitt with Premier Nationwide Lending. He's going to drop some information and his showcasing of Premier Nationwide Lending and how to get you into financial freedom faster with more money, okay? Well, maybe you say, hey, my financial foundation is great. My home's foundation, it's kind of struggling. It is not like a Michigan basement. It's not solid. I've got cracks in my drywall. I've got doors that won't shut. Well, then you need to stop by and listen to Blake Carr share about High Bar Roofing and Construction, how they can really help your foundation raise things, fix the floors, fix the doors, remodel the areas you want to, add additions on, build a home. They do everything. You should stop by. Again, this is Brandon with Millionaire Heating and Air Conditioning.